For Allee Gymnasium, we're celebrating the 75th anniversary of the Allee Gymnasium being constructed. And when you think about that, it's pretty amazing, all the history and everything that goes into it. I think this is going to be extremely exciting for our campus and not just our sports, but our students to be a part of that. But we want to reach donors where they have interest and where they have the desire to make their dollars work in terms of impact to students.
All players want to play in a nice facility, but I think it all goes back to, or goes down to the student athletes. We want to, provide a great student athlete experience for our student athletes, and it starts there. So everything we do in this project, we want to focus on them. Really, that transitions to our fans and our parents, for them to have a great experience, and even our alumni when they come back to have that great game day experience and have a great atmosphere. So we felt like that's a very important part of these upgrades. In talking with these alumni over the last few months, many of them really want to give back, what they've been given. Many of them talk about their experience. They've built lifelong friends, some of their teammates, and a lot of them just have great memories and really, what the Morningside experience is about. And I think that many of them want to give back because they were given whether it was, an experience or a spouse, a teammate, scholarship. So a lot of them are excited to give back in that area. Even though we're doing these upgrades, we're gonna, the bones will remain. So we're very excited about that, bringing in some new elements, but keeping the history as much as we can.